सरांक तुम्ही समन्स काढला तुमच्या
Baba, we have not
CRZ
taken a
violation
summons.
जे
No, we
action
have not taken summons. There was some matter which was where as far as the court had orders for demolition.
Different matter, no?
Yeah, different matter, and that has been demolished 2 years back. But then afterwards, because there was a delay, the High Court basically has asked basically to fix that responsibility of why the delay has taken place. So that is the reason.
Revenue officer are responsible.
Revenue the revenue secretary is the one who is basically doing the not monitoring, who is basically told to find to fix the responsibility.
Okay. आणि ह्या हितून आतांचे मिटींगेन कितें ऑर्डिनन्स बी हाडपाच्या
No, there is no ordinance.
पंचायत एंड म्युनिसिपालिटीज विल कॅरी ऑन
See,
देयर
see.
इन्क्वायरी
Municipalities and panchayats have got to basically submit their report to the Honorable High Court
Right.
of all the structures, illegal structures, whatever they call. Because Honorable High Court has just said to submit the report.
कितली घरां आसा ती तशी?
And कितें action घे म्हणजे तसलें कांय येना. Because first of all, only after the report then they will come to know.
So
what it is.
डेमोलिशन डायरेक्ट करू शकना पंचायत म्युनिसिपालिटी
They are not going to demolish anything. It is first of all they are only supposed to submit the report to the Honorable High Court. Then what action needs to be taken or what action the court deem fit, that will be done. And what court basically has said, court has basically said, and act as per the law. Whatever you have, legislator have already enacted a law. So as per the law, whatever action needs to be taken, you please take the action. AG had basically clearly explained to the director of Panchayat and whom I think DMA also was present what basically is their role and what they need to do. That's it.
घरा कोणाची मोडचे ना फक्त रिपोर्ट तयार करता
घरा कोणाची मरपाचे प्रश्नच येना.
आणि फुडें रिपोर्ट जाले उपरांत वाचोवपा खातीर
See, that must be one isolated case. That what we don't know what is that matter. But as far as we are only talking about what is the order of the High Court. We were discussing the order of the High Court.
सो रिपोर्ट तयार जाल्या उपरांत घरा वाचोवपाक कितें प्लॅनिंग
No, that after that government will take a decision on that. First, let them submit a report to the Honorable High Court. Then that Honorable High Court will decide what is to be done.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Sir.